Begin by opening the hood and having a look at the engine. The air filter is located in the air filter box on the left side of the engine bay and indicated by the red arrow. Begin by removing the MAF sensor. It is located on the large tube connected to the airbox lid, red arrow. Simply squeeze in the tab, yellow arrow, and pull it straight away from the housing. Use a screwdriver and loosen the hose clamp on the hose attached to the MAF sensor, red arrow. Slide the clamps over the hose and slip the hose off. If you are going to remove the airbox cover from the engine bay, you need to remove the lower hose, yellow arrow, from the lid. Next, loosen the two Phillips head screws, red arrows, on the lid. The screws will stay attached to the lid even when they are fully loosened. Now you can remove the old filter, clean the airbox, yellow arrow housing, and install your new filter. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.